to another video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be doing a quick overview of our app called Facebook Chatbot. This app will allow you to answer automatically to your clients through Facebook chat without you having to manually answer them. So first, what we're going to do here in the office, we're going to click in the apps drop down and then go down and click in Facebook Chatbot. Once I do that, I'm going to be brought to my Facebook chat page, and here will ask me to continue with Facebook. Now you need to make sure that the account that you want to work with in Facebook Chatbot has been logged in your browser previous to you coming to this app. So if you have the right account already logged in, all you have to do is click continue with Facebook. You're going to go log in if you haven't already, and once you do that, you should be good to go. Okay, so now over here you guys can see a couple of errors that went on with my account, and here I can import a new Facebook page. When I click over here, we can see that I have one page already. Okay, and so I don't need to add another one. I could go ahead and click add page, but I should be fine for now. Okay, so there we go. Let's go back to home, and now over to pages. So over here in pages, we were just here, we can see all of the pages that we have. So depending how many pages you have in your account, you're going to go ahead, click in add new page, and then you can integrate or connect all of your pages with the app. Over here, you will be able to unlink the pages and also view the posts that you have posted in the page. So let's go posts to answer. Over here, guys, we're going to be able to enable auto answer for the post. So over here, we can edit and mess around with the actual post that we want to interact with the client. So if our client goes ahead and maybe comments on our post, we can set it up so that we send an automatic message to them via chat. So over here, guys, you can see I have a post already. I can go ahead and click edit. And over here, I will set up the message that will be sent to my client. Over here we can see that we have the first name and last name. So when setting up the message, make sure you include the first name and last name, because these are kind of like tags, so it will pick up the first and last name of your client from Facebook. Over here you will put your message. So like I said, hello, first and last name. Thank you for saying hello. We really appreciate all of your clients. If you have any questions, let us know. Here you can add some emojis, and you can choose also some delay. So let's say we want to send this message 5 minutes later, we can do that. I'm going to leave it as no. Over here we can click to answer on second level comments. So for example, let's say a client commented once and then replied to that same comment, or another person replied to that comment. So we could answer those second level comments. I'm going to leave it off so we can be interacting with the first level comment. Over here it says answer only one time, meaning that once it is answered and once that message is sent through the chat, even if that client interacts with that post again, he won't receive the message again. Okay, so let's go ahead right now and save the rule. Okay, it is saved. We could use condition, so if we click right here, we can say if user's comments consists or not consists or equals to exactly or not equals to whatever we put right here, then this rule will be used. Okay, so meaning, let's say if the user's comment consists of the phrase hello, or let's put it like this, I'm interested, then this rule will be used. Over here we can set as to be case sensitive. So let's say they wrote I am interested, and so that wouldn't work. Okay, so let's put I'm interested, and let's leave the case sensitive box unchecked. Okay, if the client has this word right here, or let's say this word in any other way, let's say capital letters or anything like that, this rule will still be in action. Okay, so that's pretty much it. We can move now to page subscribers. Over here, guys, you will have a list of everybody that's subscribed to your page. This is very nice because you can see their names right here. You can see their subscription date, the subscription opt-in, so where they went through, and some options and information about the client. Over here, guys, we have a little drop down. We can choose which page we're working with. So if I click tutorial, you can see that I don't have any subscribers in that page, but when I do Builderall, we can see that Felipe Builderall is right here subscribed to that page. Let's go ahead into user groups now. And over here, guys, you will be able to create groups and assign subscribers to that group. So as you can see, I have a builder all group here, and the name of that group is test. The ID is 911, and you can see my subscribers count is 0. Over here, guys, I could see more information, or I could delete the user group. This user group will connect with the growth tools, among others, okay? So it is really nice once you have a set base of subscribers and you want maybe to set a message to a certain group, you could do that. So let's go ahead here in growth tools now, and we can create a new tool. So let's go ahead and edit this one that we already have, okay? Over here, you will put some text, and to remind you guys that this will pop up when they go to the page, okay? So the text will be here, welcome to the page, would you like to receive some more information? And over here, we have the button send to messenger. We can choose the button color, so it's blue right now, and the button size also, the background color for the message, and the text color. Over here, we can go to submitted state. Once they accept or click on send to messenger, we can either open submission page or go to a certain URL, meaning we can put our page's URL right here, or submission page, another text, another labels, and colors, okay? So that's pretty much it. We're gonna go into actions now. And over here, like I said, guys, our groups, our user groups would connect with the growth tool. So over here, add subscriber group. So let's say they actually clicked on the button and they're good to go. We can add that subscriber into our group. So for example, here it says, would you like to receive more information? And if he clicks here and goes to my group, I can then send more information to every subscriber that is in that group. So that's a pretty nice tool. Over here, start flow for subscribers. We haven't been through the flow, okay? But basically, you set up a set of actions. So over here, you could do that. You could set any flow to that, but you would be setting up the flow before you do a growth tool, okay? Over here, display pop-up again to user after maybe a couple of days. So let's say a week goes by, okay, and we have more information. So if he's interested, we could go ahead and use that group to send more information. Over here, we can save and preview, or we can just directly share, okay? I'm gonna save and preview. This is what it would look like. You can go ahead and customize it the way you want it, and then you can go ahead and share to your page. Over here, guys, you would get the code, all right, for this message, and you would put inside the head tag of your website. Okay, so for this message to appear or to pop up, you will have to put in the head tag of your website, so then it can connect with Facebook and you will have the information over here. Over here in broadcasting, guys, it is really important that you create one and click right here in the permission status, because there are a couple of steps that you need to go through to set up your broadcasting. Once you click over here, you can see this page, and if you want, you can go ahead and pause this video to read through. But basically over here, it gives you a couple of step-by-step on how to apply for sending subscription messages to your clients. So basically it tells you what to do. You're going to go to your page settings, then the messenger platform, and under subscription messaging, in the advanced messaging settings section, click the request button, and then just go through these over here, and then you can go ahead and send page to approve. So once you've done all that, you can go ahead and click over here and see if it works. Should work fine. If you have any problems, just let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you. Over here you can edit all of your broadcastings. And over here we have the first step and the new step. So let's go ahead and edit the first step. You can add message with the text. We can add messages with buttons. We can add messages with text, image, and buttons, or add message with media, meaning videos, GIFs, or anything like that. Over here to the left, you can go ahead and create new steps. And once you're done, you can go ahead and click broadcast. Once you click in broadcast, we can see the message type. So it's going to be a response message, a promotional message, or a follow-up message. The action that is going to be taken from the client will have a consequence or a reaction, which will be the broadcasting. Targeting is under development, okay, so we would be covering this in another videos, or just create a ticket and we'll be able to explain it better for you. The push type, we can put it regular, a silent push, or no push. We're going to leave it regular. It says here advanced messaging features permission status equals none. So like I showed you guys, there are a couple of steps that need to be taken, and you can't broadcast messages from this page. You can go ahead and click Y, and here it is, guys. So the follow-up step-by-steps like I showed you guys a couple of minutes ago. So make sure that is all set up before you try to set up your broadcasting, and now we can go ahead into flows. So remember when we use growth tools, we said that we would have to set up the flows first. So let's go ahead and create a new flow. We can put here tutorial flow. Tutorial, we're going to go ahead and submit. And here we can go ahead and edit the first step. So we can add a message with text. We're going to go ahead here. If we want, we can use the first name and last name. So we can say, thank you. So basically you can put a message over here using some images or symbols if you want. As you can see, guys, there is a button that says add new button. And as we click over here, we're adding buttons to the message. So along with the message, we could have a couple of buttons here. So if we click on one button, we can put the label of the button, the action, and the URL if we choose open URL. So if you click action here, we can open URL, call phone, go to step, or start another flow. This is very important because if, for example, you want to put an URL, you can call their phone, you can go to step, meaning if you have more than one steps, you can send them to a specific step, or you can start a completely other flow. Okay, we're going to do open URL, and over here builderall.com, so if they went ahead and clicked on that button, they would be redirected to builderall.com. So I'm going to put here new button so you guys can see what happens under here. Okay, I'm going to save, and the word label is no longer in this button, and that's because I've just configured it. As seen before, we can add new steps. So let's say, for example, they click on a new button, okay, and I put here, let's say go to step, and then we can either create new step or choose the other ones. Okay, I'm going to save, and basically if they clicked on this button, they would be directed to another step in which we would have to edit and configure before starting the flow or using this specific flow in maybe a growth tool or broadcasting. Alright guys, we can go now into automation, and here we can do a couple of fun things. We can click in select pages. We can go ahead and put builder all since I have a page here. We can set up a default reply rules, or a welcome message. The welcome message is under development, as you can see, so we will be covering this in future videos. But if we go to default reply, we can go ahead and click here. We're going to choose the flow. Okay, so either test or tutorial. I'm going to choose tutorial, and then I'm going to save. Over here in reply rules, we can go ahead and create a new rule. So for example, again guys, if the type of the rule is that consists, so if the phrase or the message or the comment that your client made consists of let me know more, the flow to start will be right over here. We can go ahead and create a new rule. Flow to start, we can put tutorial, we can put phrase hi. So for example, let's say we post and say something, if you guys are interested, please comment hi. Okay, and so if the comment consists of this word right here, we can send them to flow tutorial. Go ahead and submit, and there we go. Let's delete this first one. But pretty much that is how the automation works, okay? And like I said, the welcome message will be covered in the near future. Let's go in the bot for website, and over here we can create the bot for the website. So since I already have a bot that's named test, let's go ahead and click in the plus button. Over here it says you may use your bot only on this domains. To use on another domain, you should whitelist it. And here guys is another link showing you how to whitelist your domain, meaning that you will put domains that are okay for your clients to click in your account. So you're going to go to configurations, and you're going to do everything that it tells you to do here. And it's very simple. You're going to open this URL, which is most likely your Facebook account. You're going to go to session, which is whitelisted domains, okay, inside your settings for the Facebook. You're going to type this, okay, which would be the domain that you want to be whitelisted, and then you're going to refresh page in Facebook Chatbot. So now what happens is that, for example, if you want to send this link, or if you want to redirect a person to this link, that means it's whitelisted and you, the account Facebook user, has told Facebook that this domain is totally fine and your clients are okay to go to these links. So this is very important because if you guys don't do these settings in Facebook, it will not work the way you want to. So let's go ahead and close this page again. We can go ahead and get the script, guys. Okay, so we would have to embed this Facebook chatbot into our site. You can copy to clipboard over here and then just paste it into your head section. So let's go out of here right now. We could create a bot for the website, put a name for the bot, choose the page and click submit. Over here we're gonna start flow. For example, we can choose tutorial. All right, over here, guys, is as soon as the guys goes into your site or goes into the page, they will receive a message saying, hi, how can we help you? The logged out greeting can be, please log into Facebook to get help. The display type will be show, either hide or fade. I'm gonna put fade. The delay before the greeting dialog is shown in seconds. I'm gonna put 0, so it is automatic. We're gonna go ahead and click embed. We're gonna get the code to use. Guys, it is very important that you whitelist your domain. So make sure once I click here, if you want to give a pause to the video and read through that, would be very important. If not, just go through Facebook Chatbot, observe a little, and then click on that button to see what you have to do. Let's go ahead and save that. Okay. So basically, guys, that was just a quick overview of the Facebook Chatbot. In the near future, we're going to be having videos covering specifically each and every section of the Facebook chatbot. But for now, if you have any questions or concerns, please create a ticket for our support team and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much once again for watching this video, and I hope you have enjoyed.